Hi, I'm Connor Mulvaney.
And I'm Mitchell Dennis.
And we're here to pump you up on how to use the drill press. Let's do this.
Always make sure to be wearing goggles when using tools. Also, remove any loose clothing. And keep long hair tied back. Clear anything that's been left on the drill press off of the work area. Mark a spot for drilling on your workpiece. Secure the workpiece in a vise using gauge blocks. Secure the drill bit in the chuck and tighten it with the chuck key. Your hand so they can see.
Why? It's fine. Is that center danger?
Yes.
Okay.
Lower the drill to see if the bench needs to be adjusted. In this case, it needs to be raised. To raise the bench, first loosen the securing, and then use the crank to raise or lower the bench. Retighten the bench. Center the workpiece so that the drill will drill through the dot. Once the workpiece is centered, tighten the clamp so that the vise will not move. Choose the appropriate speed for the material being drilled through and adjust the belt accordingly. To raise or lower the belt, loosen the black screws on either side of the drill press and pull the lever towards you. Then, push down on the lever, and while pushing on the lever, tighten both screws. Before drilling, always check to make sure everything is secure. That includes both handles on the bench. Now you're ready to drill. Turn on the light and turn on the drill. Lower the drill into the workpiece and begin pecking at it. Be sure to apply enough pressure. When center drilling, it's not necessary to drill all the way through. Be sure to apply enough pressure to reduce chatter. Switch off the drill. When center drilling, it is not necessary to drill all the way through the workpiece, as the center drill is just to get the hole started. Let the drill come to a complete stop before removing the drill bit. Clean any gunk off the drill bit with a brush, and then remove the drill bit with a chuck key. Be sure to hold the drill bit so it doesn't fall. Secure the next drill bit in the chuck. Always use a chuck key to secure your drill bit. Before the main drilling, add some cutting fluid to the hole. Just a few drops is enough. Switch on the drill and begin drilling. Move the drill in and out of the workpiece gently. Don't drill all at once. As you feel the drill begin to break through the workpiece, ease up on the pressure. Switch off the drill and let it come to a complete stop. Brush any gunk off of the drill bit and the workpiece. Remove the drill bit. Remove the workpiece from the vise. Remember, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. There's the hole we made. Notice the burr. Deburr the hole with a deburring tool. Simply put it in the hole and turn it. Now the edge is nice and smooth. Now you're all finished. Be sure to put away any tools and clean off the drill press.
And remember, always drill with the supervision of a mentor or a team captain.